John Turner, the General Manager at SATA. So John, could you tell us some things that SATA's showcasing tonight? And I hear that you're auctioning off a spray gun.
We are auctioning off a spray gun. We're going to auction off this spray gun, which if you look at it, it's very interesting. We'll call it pop art. And it has the Stan Lee type pow, wow, boom on the gun, different images of Stan Lee type cartoon characters. So we're going to auction this gun off for Autism Speaks tonight.
Wow.
And we hope to raise money for autism.
Awesome, that's so great. So let's head over to the spray gun tree over here.
Okay.
Could you tell me some more, just what you guys are just showing off your spray guns here? What's something special about them?
We've got a lot of different spray guns, and SATA is one of the only companies that has a spray gun for every application. So we have a mini jet for doing small touch-ups, for doing small panels. We've got a primer gun. We've got a sealer gun. We've got a UV primer gun. We have a top coat gun. We have a clear coat gun. We have a polyester gun.
Wow.
So we've got all of the guns for all of the jobs that everybody needs, and that's very unique in the marketplace. There's not a lot of companies, there is no other companies that carry all of the different types of guns.
Yeah, you guys are very thorough over here.
Yes, we are. And one of the newest things that we have tonight that is being showcased is, and I'll get it out of here. Dennis, I'm going to give you that one. This is our newest and latest and greatest piece. So 2 years ago we introduced the 5000 phaser, and last year we introduced the X5500 series of guns. This is an X5500 phaser edition. So it's a limited edition gun that just follows the series of phaser guns that we have started. This gun is actually designed by the Porsche Design Studio in Germany.
Wow, that's so cool.
So it's a very interesting piece, and that's new for us here at CCIF.
Wow. Awesome, great. So it's everyone's first look at it.
It's everyone's first look. Well, it's been in the market, it's been seen.
Yeah.
But for people, the people that come by the booth like to pick it up, feel it, touch it, just because it has that stigmatism to it. I want to feel it. I want to see it.
Yeah.
So it's interesting. It's nice
gun.
that we have. So yeah, it is a very, very beautiful gun.
All right, awesome. So could you give us a little teaser into anything that SATA's working on in 2020 or something that you're excited about?
I'm excited about the new filtration that we should have, I would say, by June, July of 2020. It will be called a 500 series filtration, which will not replace the filtration we have now, which is a 200 series and a 400 series. It's an add-on to that. So we're quite excited about that coming for us into the marketplace. It's something very unique in the filtration market, and we expect people to take note of what we've done when it comes to filtration.
Sounds exciting. Well, thank you so much, Sean. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and have a great time tonight.
Thank you.
And I'm excited to see how that auction of the gun goes.
I welcome you here.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.